If you play melodies alone and they sound empty, it's usually not because you need more notes. Sometimes it's just one simple idea played with the right intention. For example, let me play the opening phrase of Joy to the World. This is just the G scale played backwards. Listen. Right? And so you see, we don't need more notes, but we need the right intention. When I'm playing this, I'm just thinking about the tone I'm producing, and I know that I need a nice attack and I need a round sound, and so I can move my hand back and forth. In this case, I was looking for a round sound, so that's why my hand was here, more or less in the center. And then, sometimes, we don't need fancy stuff. Like here, I'm just playing double stops, you know, the melody goes. And I decided to embellish that melody with harmony notes. And so this is a simple concept. So again, it's not about playing more notes, but it's about playing with the right intention. And I start with a simple idea like this, and then I build a full arrangement step by step. And if you want to have the full lesson with tablature and the video breakdown, you will find the link in the description or in the first comment. If you enjoy this kind of solo flat picking, where simple ideas grow into richer arrangements, the full lesson is available on my store. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.